Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hi everyone, welcome to Fox Focus. It's time for today's edition of Case or No Case. My name is Melanie Ricks, being joined by Jeff Pittman, attorney at PKSD Law Firm. Hey Jeff, it looks like we've got a special edition today.
Hey Melanie, we do have a special edition. This is the grandchildren edition of Case or No Case. See, these are my grandkids from South Carolina. That's John Henry, and that is Charlotte, and that's Everett, closest to you.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So
nice to meet you.
They're here to help us today. So I got two good scenarios for you. So first one is that you buy a camper so your family can go camping with you, but you need to have a trailer hitch installed on your car. So you go to the local mechanic and he says, well, I've got a brand new one, or I have one that's 2 years old, only used once. It's a lot less expensive. And so you decide to go with that, and he installs that trailer hitch. That weekend, you start heading up north and you're pulling your camper, and the hitch unhooks. And it turns out that trailer hitch has a defect, has a manufacturer's defect in that. And it becomes detached. That camper goes rolling back towards the vehicles behind you and ends up smashing into a car and severely hurts a family who is also heading up north.
Okay.
So, case or no case in that scenario against you when there's a manufacturer defect with the trailer hitch?
Oh, that's a good one. I still would assume there's a case there.
No, I don't think there's a case against you in that scenario because you didn't do anything wrong. You're not a mechanic. You're not an expert, so you wouldn't know there was a defect. Second part, case or no case against the mechanic who installed the hitch.
Oh, definitely a case.
I'm not so sure that there'd be a case, and let me
Really?
tell you why. Unless it was very obvious, if there's just a manufacturer's defect, then I think it's against the manufacturer. They're the one who did something wrong. So unless you could prove that the mechanic is negligent, I think in this scenario, all the liability falls on the manufacturer who created the defective tow.
Well, that's a tricky one, but that's a really good one. And if you are wondering whether or not you have a case, you know what you have to do. All you got to do is dial that number, the threes, 333-3333. And what's that for? It's for the PKSD Guarantee. Happy Grandchildren Edition, everybody.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox.com.